Today, we've heard this beautiful story of this owner of the fig tree and also of his servant or the gardener. Nakita niya na 3 taon nang walang bunga itong punong ito. Kaya anong sabi niya sa kanyang hardinero? Putulin mo na ang punong iyan dahil hindi na bumubunga. Pero sabi ng kanyang hardinero, bigyan pa natin ng 1 taon. Aalagaan ko, tatapyasin ko yung mga sobra, didiligan ko, aarugain ko ng maayos, baka magkaroon pa ng bunga. At kung hindi na magkaroon ng bunga, sige, putulin na muna. There are a lot of voices, my dear students, my dear brothers and sisters, who are like that until now. People who already gave up on us. Bata ka pa lang, no? Ganyan ka na, so wala ka ng magandang future. Bagsak ka na, so bagsak ka na hanggang dulo. Ayaw ko na sa'yo, kaya hindi ka nalalago hanggang ngayon. But also, there are also people who are like this gardener, saying to you and to me, we will still give you another chance. We will never give up on you. So that after a year, after 2 years, after many chances, you can also grow and bear fruit. We celebrate this goodness of the Lord, my dear brothers and sisters. Kahit anong hindi nating suko sa Diyos, hindi rin tayo sinusukuan ng Diyos. Para maging mabuti tayo, para maging masagana tayo, at para maging magaling tayo.